All right, and now I have the right side dug out. As you can see, put the side off to the side, so we try to save the grass the best way possible. Pop-up's gonna get here, and what it should do is build up, pop up, facilitate all this area, so it'll help water it and make sure it doesn't die, but it shouldn't be building up any puddles, but it'll be away from the foundation, which is the #1 thing, and the fact of over here in this corner. And I got this side dug out. As you can see, it goes all the way over here. We're gonna have to go above the one sprinkler line, but between the other, come out here. And the same thing would be at the end. Little mini dry wells, that way the water can pop up, build up, facilitate out, and come and go all the way on the grass here instead of rolling back towards where he has his low areas with the pavers. Now to pipe it up